Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel 𝓭𝓸𝓷'𝓽. As you can see here guys, I'm gonna be making some graduation leis. It's gonna be my son's graduation next week, and he's the first one out of the three that's graduating from elementary school, 5th grade guys, so I'm super excited. I have done these before, but I've always done them with the regular roll, like the clear wrapping paper thing. And I was on Amazon looking for other graduation stuff, and I found this kit that is supposed to make things easier, so I want to try it out with you guys. I got some of his favorite candy, Jolly Ranchers and M&Ms, so let's begin guys. Let's open it. Let me show you guys what it comes with, and I'll be linking it for you guys as well down below in the description, so if it goes well you guys can go check it out. Make life easier for you, because that's the whole point of this one. So let's see. Okay, so it comes like this. And I got one. They have different sizes. I believe this is a 3-incher. There's thinner ones. I got the 3-inch, I believe. Let me measure it though, because I wanted to use full-size candy bars, so I'm still thinking about it. So it's right above 3. You guys see that? It comes with different curling ribbon. As you can see here, it has a bunch of different colors. Look at that. I'm gonna be using the green, maybe the black, and the blue. Boyish colors, you know? Maybe even that would look nice. No, I think just the blue and green. And I got the one with like more colors, so I can have some for the future, you know? There's a bunch of different ones to choose from. Let me just tell you that much. Okay, so let's look at this now. Like I said, remember they do have different sizing as well. I'm gonna save this so I can put it back on later. I'm gonna leave this. I want to make them about 30 inches, so total 60, around 60 inches long, so it can wrap all the way around. I'm going to measure it. This is for a 5th grader. You might want to measure how tall they are, you know, so you know what length it needs to be. So around there. And I am leaving a little extra so I can tie them up. Let's go here. So I'm gonna cut it. Okay. Let's start with the chocolate. And I don't like to use like the, what do you call it? Like the saran wrap. Oh my god, that's a headache. That's just all over the place. I'm gonna separate the candy real quick. So we're starting off with chocolate. Let me put one at the end here, so I can make this the end. Look, it fits perfectly. This is a fun size, okay? Just showing you how it fits. Let's tie it up. I'm gonna use green one. And I am going to be curling it, so I want to leave a little bit out. I'm just going to triple tie it to be on the safe side. curling them. Oh, first one done. Either I suck at this or this sucks. It's okay, it's still there, half of it. Okay, now I'm going to put another chocolate. Let's just tie it first. I'm gonna do green, blue, green, blue. Me personally, like I said, I am doing 3 knots just to be on the safe side. First one, I'm gonna put another chocolate. I'm just letting it fall all the way to the bottom. I'm gonna flip it around. Okay, now I'm going to tie it up with the green one again. And I'm just gonna continue, okay? If you want to add more than 1 candy at a time, you can. Like I'm doing here. I'm adding 2 at a time, might as well. You know? Kind of push it that way before I tie it. Okay, working on the last one. Don't forget to leave the curling string facing outward so the shiny part is outside. Okay, to make it look prettier, you know? Now I'm gonna make a few of these. I'm thinking about making some more for my kiddos as well, the other ones, so they don't feel like, oh, I didn't get one, you know? At least one. Okay, so here it is. Look at that. Cute, right? I'm gonna tie it up now. Look. I'm gonna tie it up with even more string. I'm gonna do like 5 knots, just so it's extra secure. And I'm gonna cut like a bit of this off so it's not like too ugly, you know? And look at that. Oh my god, how cute. Super, super easy, guys. I'm telling you, this Amazon kit. That's what I used, and I'm super happy with it. That's adorable, right? I'm gonna make some more. And then I'll show you guys how they came out. Okay, so I am just about done with this one. Tips I can give you guys: overall, I love this kit. It's amazing. It saves so much time. You don't have to be like wrapping over the candy, you know, it just goes in, tie it up. I love it. I love it. I just wish it came with more curling string, but it's okay. Look at me, I'm already distracted. I just start talking to you guys and then I get distracted. Yeah, I found it easier just to wrap it and then at the end go over and curl it. I don't know why I started curling. I think because I was like talking to you guys, but yeah, it just saves so much time. Okay, I'm so distracted. Okay. I love it, guys. I love the kits. I'm so happy they made something like this. I have so much wrapping left. String, not so much. I'm probably going to have to get more for the future. And then I ended up doing this one all like red Jolly Ranchers because like the whole bag was basically red Jolly Ranchers. It's crazy. Well, they're like, what is it, like strawberry and then like cherry. Yeah, cherry and watermelon. Cherry and watermelon. So there's like a lot of red. So yeah, I did one of just red. Look, I think this is my 4th one and this is how much string I still have left. So yeah, just a little FYI on that. Let me close it and then I'm gonna start curling. So yeah, I love it. I highly recommend for you guys to go check it out on Amazon. And then it's always a plus, graduation is right around the corner, guys, so fast delivery through Amazon. I think this was like a 2-day delivery. So yeah, super quick. I got what I needed, just went to Target, got the candy, and then straight to work. So yeah, and then I was also thinking of making some money lace, but I have to go to the bank and you know how it is. So I'm gonna ask for like one, but everybody's gonna be looking at me like, yeah, I don't do that, but still. you know that feeling, you know what I mean. So yeah, save the curling until the end. It just makes it easier, so you can just be going around and tying up everything, you know. But yeah, I also wanted to make some chipped ones as well. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. Who's making lace this year? This will probably be for my daughter. It's like all pink and red. I'm gonna show you guys the ones I already made. Let me just finish up here. And I'll show you. See how faster it is just to curl everything at the end. Okay, so I am done with this one. Let me show you guys the other ones that I already did. Okay, so this is what I've done so far since I left you guys off at the M&Ms. I did the Milky Way and the Snickers. I did another Jolly Rancher one with like all the colors. And then I did the pink one. I'm gonna keep going, guys. I'm not done. But yeah, this is the Amazon kit. I love it. Highly recommend. Like I said, you would probably just need more curling string. You know, because you do kind of run out fast. Look at that. And then this is how it comes originally. So yeah, just to give you guys an idea. I mean, I still have enough to make more. Look. But still, like if you want a specific color, just FYI. But yeah, so it's super quick. Go get your kit, get it overnight, 2-day delivery. Do it this weekend. Go get your candy, you know, the store's got a bunch of candy, and make your leis. Super easy. I know this is graduation time, so get to it. Such a fun little craft to show your kiddo how much you love them, or if you want to sell, or whatever it is that you want to do. Have fun with it. Remember, it's gonna be linked down below. Candy of your choice. I did get the 3-inch size. There is different sizes, okay? Just keep that in mind. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you learned a little something. Now you know how to make your graduation lei. Super easy with the Amazon kit. Let me know what you think. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more crafty stuff, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.